The United Nations is warning of unsanitary conditions and malnutrition as Libya marks a week since catastrophic floods that killed thousands in the city of Derna. Local authorities are working hard to prevent diseases so as to avoid a second devastating crisis. They're particularly worried about dirty water and a lack of sanitation. Now, such is the scale of the disaster that the final death toll remains unclear. The UN says nearly 4,000 people have died, revising down a previous estimate of 11,000. Still, the mayor of Derna says as many as 20,000 may have perished. With thousands still missing, families continue the agonizing task of searching for loved ones.
يا ربي يا ربي على التواعد يا رب يا ربي حتى جثة يا ربي بس نعقم يا ربي يا ربي رحمتك بينا يا ربي رحمتك بينا يا رب يا ربي من نحاسبه من المسؤول من اللي يقولوا له أنت مسؤول عن هذا من المسؤول إيش ذنبهم الناس اللي راحت والأرواح اللي راحت واللي فقد أسرته إيش ذنبها عائلة كاملة تنتهي عائلة كاملة تنتهي كلها.